Now that you have connected Figma to a GitHub repository, thanks to Specify, designers are autonomous and they can make change in their design decisions without the help of developers to implement those changes into the code base. So let's see how this works. So let's say I'm a designer and I want to make a change. So here, this red color, I want to update it. So I make it darker. Okay, so we do this and we have to publish the change. And once the change is published, then you have two choices. First one is you wait 24 hours, so that Specify synchronizes differences between your Figma file and your colors category into your Specify repository, or you do not want to wait and you synchronize manually your colors category like I did. So here, as you can see, I have the new red here, and as Specify is not able to detect differences between sources and destinations, a new pull request will be automatically created so that the developers can see, all right, what is their new change? Oh, the new value has been created, still in the right format, in the right naming convention, etc. So thanks to Specify, no need for manual update, and yeah, branding at scale the easy way. Thanks for watching.